I know my passion. I know my passion. I know my passion. Who is kidding? Let me call my friend Anita.
Find the real me. So let's go. Find the real feeling.
If I take you,
Find the real me. You know. So let's go. It's time for meaning. See the feel. Now we show. Cause you know. We're winning. It's time for the meaning. Now we show.
Oh, this is tricky. Now look what's gonna happen. Oh, I give this thing. Then they will have it. This is a gift for you. Thank you for making my stress go away. Thank you.
action.
Why don't you look at your bank account? You may feel very happy when you look at it.
Bye. Action. And
Hack. Done.
cut. Action.
Why don't you look at your bank account? I also want to see your bank account. Okay. Coming. 3. Coming. 2. What is happening? 1. Boom. That time I gave you the painting, no? Yeah. That has a small camera on it. What? See, yeah.
Action.
Hi, why didn't you look at your bank account? I also want to see your bank account. Okay. 3. 2. 1. Boom!
What shall we do? Wait. Action.
Wait for part 2.
Now I
ರೋಷನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೀಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೃದಂಬಿ ಮೋಷನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೀಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ದಾದು ಶಿವ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ and bye please
mistakenly I didn't turn the video only.
oh my goodness Amma please keep them quiet wait for part 2 bye